Over 60? Drink these 3 powerful teas daily and rebuild your muscle strengths. Stop right there. Are you over 60 and finding it hard to stand up from your chair? Does walking feel like a challenge? Can't keep up with your grandkids anymore? Here's something shocking. Your muscles are disappearing. Yes, disappearing. But wait, before you feel worried, I have amazing news for you. What if I told you that 3 simple teas can bring your strength back? Teas you can make at home. Teas that cost almost nothing. Teas that actually work. The National Institute on Aging says 50% of people over 60 lose muscle strength. But you don't have to be one of them. Stay with me. Your life is about to change. The problem, let me ask you something. Do you remember when getting up was easy? When walking to the store was no big deal? When you could play with your grandchildren without getting tired? What happened? I'll tell you exactly what happened. Your muscles are getting smaller and weaker. It's called sarcopenia. Big word, but simple meaning. Muscle loss. This starts in your 30s, but after 60, it speeds up fast, very fast. Think about it. Simple things are now hard. Standing up from a low chair, you need to push with your hands. Walking to the mailbox, your legs feel heavy. Climbing stairs, you hold the railing tight. Playing with grandkids, you get tired in 5 minutes. This isn't just about feeling weak. This is dangerous. Weak muscles mean more falls. Falls mean broken bones. Broken bones mean hospital. Hospital means losing your independence. Are you nodding your head? Then this video is for you, because I'm going to show you 3 powerful teas that can change everything. Why this matters? Let me tell you why strong muscles matter so much. Strong muscles equals independent life. Without strong muscles, you can't carry your own groceries, walk your dog, do your gardening, dance at family weddings, travel and enjoy life. Weak muscles mean depending on others. Nobody wants that, right? Here's what happens. Your muscles and bones work together. When muscles get weak, bones get weak too. Then you're at risk for osteoporosis. One fall can change your entire life. But here's the good news that will make you smile. You can rebuild your strength. Yes, even after 60, even after 70, even after 80. Your body is amazing. Give it the right things and it will get strong again. And the right things? They're sitting in your kitchen right now. 3 simple teas. That's all you need. The solution, now listen carefully. This is important. Exercise alone won't fix this. You need nutrition. Special nutrition that helps your muscles grow back. You need protein to build muscle, antioxidants to protect muscle, anti-inflammatory compounds to heal muscle, good circulation to feed your muscles. Where do you get all this? From 3 magical teas? These aren't fancy teas. These aren't expensive teas. These are simple teas that science has proven to work. Green tea, ginger tea, turmeric tea. Each one does something special for your muscles. Together, they're like a muscle-building team working inside your body. Let me show you exactly how each one works. Pay close attention because this information can change your life. Tea number 1, green tea. First tea, green tea. The muscle protector. Why is green tea so powerful? Because it has something called EGCG. Don't worry about the name. Just know this. EGCG fights the bad stuff in your body that damages your muscles. Think of it this way. Your muscles are like a car. Free radicals are like rust. EGCG is like rust remover. It keeps your muscles clean and working well. But that's not all. Green tea does 3 amazing things. Number 1, burns fat, keeps muscle. You lose the bad stuff, keep the good stuff. Number 2, reduces swelling and pain. After you walk or exercise, you feel less sore. Number 3, gives you energy. Not too much like coffee, just enough to keep you moving. How to drink it? Super easy. Drink 2 to 3 cups every day. Use hot water, not boiling, just hot. Put 1 tea bag in. Wait 2 to 3 minutes. Drink it. Don't like the taste? Add a little honey. Add some lemon. Make it taste good for you. Best time to drink? Between meals? Morning, afternoon, evening. Anytime works. One woman told me, I started drinking green tea. After 2 weeks, I could walk to the park with my grandson. Before that, I was always too tired. That could be you. Just from drinking green tea every day. Tea number 2, ginger tea. Second tea, ginger tea. The painkiller. You know ginger, right? That root you use in cooking? It's been used as medicine for thousands of years. And science now proves it works. Ginger has something called gingerol. Again, don't worry about the name. Just know this. Gingerol stops pain and swelling in your muscles. Here's what happens. When you use your muscles, tiny tears happen. These tears need to heal, but swelling comes. Pain comes. You feel stiff. Ginger stops that swelling. Fast. Why you need ginger tea? Number 1. Stops muscle pain after you walk or exercise. You feel better faster. Number 2. Reduces stiffness in joints. Your knees, hips, back, everything feels looser. Number 3. Helps you recover quickly. Today you exercise. Tomorrow you feel good, not sore. Listen to this. One study showed that people who drank ginger tea had 25% less muscle pain. That's huge. How to make it? Even easier than green tea. Fresh ginger method. Take a small piece of ginger, size of your thumb. Peel it, cut into thin slices, put in hot water. Wait 5 to 10 minutes, drink it. Quick method. Buy ginger tea bags. Put 1 bag in hot water, wait 3 to 5 minutes, done. Add honey if you want sweetness. Add lemon for extra taste. When to drink it? After you exercise, before bed, helps you sleep better. Anytime you feel sore. One man, 68 years old, told me, I had knee pain for years. Started drinking ginger tea twice a day. After 1 month, I could go upstairs without holding the railing. Magic. Not magic. Just ginger working in your body. Tea number 3. Turmeric tea. Third tea. Turmeric tea. The ultimate healer. This is the superstar. If you only choose one tea, choose this one. Turmeric has curcumin. This is the golden ingredient. It does something amazing. It stops inflammation everywhere in your body. Inflammation is the enemy. It causes pain, stiffness, weakness. Curcumin fights it like a warrior. What turmeric tea does for you? Number 1. Stops joint pain. If you have arthritis pain, this helps a lot. Number 2. Reduces muscle weakness. Makes your muscles stronger day by day. Number 3. Improves blood flow. Better blood flow means more nutrients to your muscles. More nutrients means faster healing. Number 4. Protects your muscles from damage. Like a shield around your muscles. Studies show that curcumin is as powerful as some pain medicines, but it's natural, no side effects. How to make the perfect turmeric tea. Here's the important part. Listen carefully. Put 1 to 2 teaspoons turmeric powder in hot water. Add a pinch of black pepper. This is the secret. Black pepper helps your body absorb turmeric. Without it, turmeric doesn't work as well. Add honey for taste, stir well, wait 5 minutes, drink slowly, or use fresh turmeric. Take a small piece, peel and grate it. Put in hot water, add black pepper, done. When to drink it? Once in the morning, once in the evening, especially after you use your muscles. One woman, 72 years old, wrote to me, I couldn't garden anymore. My knees hurt too much. I started drinking turmeric tea with black pepper every day. 2 months later, I'm back in my garden. I feel 10 years younger. That's the power of turmeric. Now, let me give you the complete plan. This is exactly what you should do. Morning. Wake up. Drink 1 cup of green tea for energy and muscle protection. Afternoon. After lunch, drink 1 cup of ginger tea for pain relief. Evening. Before dinner or before bed, drink 1 cup of turmeric tea with black pepper for deep healing. That's it. 3 teas. Simple routine. Do this every single day for 1 month. Just 1 month. After 1 month, you'll notice less pain in your joints, more energy to move. Easier to stand up, better balance, stronger legs, more confidence after 2 months. Even more strength, better sleep, less stiffness. Happier mood after 3 months. You'll feel like a different person. Your family will notice the change. You'll do things you thought you couldn't do anymore, but remember, you must be consistent. Every day. Don't skip days. Powerful closing. Listen, my friend, you have 2 choices today. Choice 1, close this video. Do nothing. Keep getting weaker. Keep depending on others. Keep feeling tired. Choice 2, start today. Go to your kitchen. Make your first cup of tea. Begin your journey back to strength. Which will you choose? I know you'll choose strength. I know you'll choose independence. I know you'll choose life. Your muscles are waiting. They want to get strong again. They can get strong again. Give them these 3 teas. It's never too late. 60 is not old. 70 is not old. 80 is not old. Not when you have these teas on your side. Start today, right now, this moment. And here's what I want you to do. Subscribe to this channel for more health tips. Share this video with your friends who need this. Leave a comment telling me which tea you'll start with. Come back in 1 month and tell me your results. Your strong future starts now. Go make that tea. Your muscles are calling you. Remember, strong muscles equals independent life equals happy life. See you in the next video where I'll share more secrets to staying strong and healthy.